Guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing some these winter cosmetic cases. Do this. Someone's whacking me right now. So we get. I'll take it. I'll take it. Polar bear.
You got a polar bear?
Hold on, let me make sure I'm still alive.
Oh, it's a purple. Marshall, that's a purple.
Hold on. I'm going to hide in here.
You
I'm
know what?
I'm unboxing. Leave me alone.
On backpack.tf or scrap.tf.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Or you can sell them on the community market because these things are like flying high.
Open with key. So yeah, I bought a few keys because I got birthday money.
Caribou.
I got two.
Oh, it's a little dog. You got the dog. Oh, it goes
Nice.
on your shoulder. That's so cool.
A name tag, description tag. Yes.
And a description tag. Ow, cat, that hurt. Alright. Come on. Yeah, you want a press device and you got a pocket sensor.
Festivizer. Pocket Santa.
Okay, you got one more, right? You got one more.
One more, guys. Let's do this. So we can get.
Don't let it be a small. Come on, you can down punch coat. Oh, that's the coat that my brother got. Come on, you're not gonna let it end there. Don't just have like a small little recording. How much money do you have?
Let me check. $6.
Okay, the least you can do is at least buy one more crate and key, or buy some unlocked crates.
Or we could just like. I have a bunch of other cases.
Yeah, just do those, I guess.
Let's try this.
Don't you dare get any rainy day cosmetic case keys. If you do that,
I mean,
swear
I
they
have a
are
lot
waste.
of them.
They are not worth it.
I got some before I have it. That was pretty decent. You know what? Yeah, I'll just buy the jungle key, the newer keys. Which case do I need? Hold on. Do my inventory because I gotta see what
I don't
case.
have a bad feeling of this.
I know. You and me both, buddy. Me and you both. Okay, so I need the abominable one, and I need a unleash the beast. I'll get one of each. I'll do one of both of them, and I'll end off with $2, which would be wonderful. See, that's unleash. Wait, no, unleash the beast, and where's the other one? Abominable. There we go.
I believe in you.
Yeah, I'm not even. I love how I'm not even buying the hats I want. I'm just freaking. Okay. Gonna be unboxing two more things. This one, I feel good about this. Oh, hey, we got two items. Oh, some paint. Okay, I'll take it.
Oh,
Oh, okay, I like that.
you got one more case or no?
I got one more key. Yeah, I did abominable too.
Moment of truth. Will you get an unusual or another blue? The least we can do is get a purple or pink. Or strange. Purple, pink, or strange. Oh my god. Oh hey, you got a tour duty ticket. Yay, more profit.
Yes, your boy got it. Yeah, boy, more profit. Let's go. Something.
You got left $3.
Oh yeah, and guys, I bought this.
Marshall, buy hot heels. The fancy shoes that you get the scalp.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's short, but you know it's something. $1.61 left. Holy crap.
Happy birthday, boy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, this is my birthday money, guys.